to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix frozen start menu or frozen search bar in Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your start menu or search bar is frozen or you can say it's not working, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open your task manager. To open the task manager, you need to hold Control Shift and Escape. After that, your task manager will be open. Here you need to find Windows Explorer. Just you need to scroll down. You can see here Windows Explorer. Just right click on that and click on Restart. After that, close this window and check whether it is working or not. Guys, after closing the task manager, check whether your start menu or search bar is working or not. If not, for that you need to open run command window. You need to press Windows plus R key. Here you need to paste one command what I will provide in my description link. Just you need to copy and paste. Just select this one, copy and paste in run command. Press Ctrl V to paste and click OK. Guys, after that this type of window will be open. In this you need to click on modify. In this, if anything is tick mark, just you need to remove the tick mark and click OK. After that you can see here advanced option. Just click on advanced option. In that you can see here troubleshooting. In troubleshooting you will find rebuild. Just you need to click on rebuild. After clicking rebuild, just click OK and close this window. Guys, after doing these settings, once you have to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix frozen start menu or you can say frozen search bar is not working in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.